Welcome friends. This is video number 3 on topic mathematical logic. In previous videos we discussed definition of statement. Then in second video we explain the connectives. Connectives means two simple statements connected or combined by using word or phrase. These are connectives. We use connectives are and, or, if, then, and if and only if. Also we study the truth table of the connectives, means and statement or statement, if then statement, if and only if statement. In this video we study or we solve few examples in exercise 1.1. Before solving few examples in exercise 1.1, we revise the truth table of the logical connectives. First one is and, means P is one statement, Q is another statement, then the resultant is P and Q. In AND statement, if both the statements P and Q are true, then P and Q means resultant statement is true. Means P statement true, Q statement true, then the resultant statement is true. Otherwise, all three values means TF false, F, then FT we get F, FF we get resultant statement F. In OR statement, PQ, again similarly here P and Q, TT, TF, FT, FF. Then the resultant answer is, means resultant answer of the statement P or Q is TT, then we get T, TF, then we get T, FT, then we get T. Only one answer is false when both the statements are false, that is FF, we get F. Then conditional statement, if then, if one statement, then another statement, means if P then Q, we read as P implies Q. Here also there are four possibilities TT, TF, FT, FF. The resultant answer is P true, Q true, P implies Q true, means TT we get T, TF we get F, means first statement is true, second statement is false, then we get resultant statement is false. In third case, first statement F, second statement T, FT, then resultant statement is true. And in last step, both the statements are false, FF, then resultant statement is true. So in if then statement, the resultant statement is false only when first statement is true and second statement is false. Other resultant values are true. Then last one, if and only if, means P, Q with the two separate statements, then resultant statement is P, then symbol if and only if Q, P if and only if Q. Here also there are four possibilities TT, TF, FT, FF. So both the statement are true, then we get resultant statement is true. Both the statements are false, FF, then we get resultant statement is true. FF also we get true. But one of the statement P or Q, either P or Q is true or false, means P true, Q false, or P true, Q false, or P false, Q true, then we get false. Here TT we get T, TF we get F, FT we get F, FF we get T. These are the truth tables of the logical connectives. Now in exercise 1.1, the second question is write the following compound statements symbolically. Means here the example is in verbal form. Means given statement is in verbal form. We have to convert this statement in symbolic form. So first example is Nagpur is in Maharashtra and symbol here connective is and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. So here we have two statements. Consider these two statements separately. Let P be the statement that Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Second statement, we consider Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. So first statement here is P, then and, then we get second statement is Q. So the symbolic form means answer is symbolic form of this statement is P, then symbol is and, here and then another statement means second statement Q. So this is the symbolic form of Nagpur is in Maharashtra, it is P, and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu, this statement is Q, P and Q. Here we consider the second example. Example is triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Here in this statement, this is a compound statement connected by using two simple statements. One is triangle is equilateral and second is triangle is isosceles. So we consider, first of all, we consider two statements. Let P be the statement that triangle is equilateral and second statement Q is defined as triangle is isosceles. So these are two separate statements. So its symbolic form are, therefore its symbolic form are is first statement P, triangle is equilateral, so P, or symbol for or is here like V, and then another statement Q, that is triangle is isosceles. Here we get statement P means triangle is equilateral or triangle is isosceles. If we combine this statement, then we write triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Now we consider another example in question number 2. The example is angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Here angle is neither acute nor obtuse. Here also we get two simple statements. One is angle is not acute, angle is not obtuse. And the phrase are neither nor. For neither nor, here the phrase is neither nor. For neither nor, or the next example is example number 4. X is not irrational number but is a square of an integer. Here the word is but. In verbal form, the phrase is neither nor and second here is but. In these two examples, we use symbol and. So first of all, we write two separate statements. Let P be the statement that angle is not acute. In second one, Q be the statement that angle is not obtuse. Therefore, the symbolic form of this verbal statement is P with the statement first for neither nor the symbol is and the second statement is angle is not obtuse, that is Q. So symbolic form is P and Q. This example is solved in another way by defining the statement P. If we define statement P, that angle is acute. Q statement as angle is obtuse. Here we see that angle is acute is a statement P, but in given statement angle is neither acute. Means in symbolic form we write P means angle is acute and here angle is neither acute. So we write negation P. Symbol for neither nor is and second statement angle is obtuse, but in given statement and it is angle is not obtuse, so it is negation Q. So in this representation P angle is not acute, Q angle is not obtuse, then we get symbolic form P and Q. And for or second way we solve this example, P angle is acute. If we consider Q angle is obtuse, then symbolic form is negation P and negation Q. Now we consider another example here. X is not an irrational number. So we consider here statement, let P be the statement that X is not irrational number. Irrational number, or here X is not a irrational number, and Q statement is X is a square of an integer, is a square of an integer. Therefore, the symbolic form is, first statement is X is not irrational number means P. But for but we use symbol and. So and is a square of integers. X is a square of an integer. Therefore, the second statement P and Q. The symbolic form is P and Q. Example number 5. If triangle is a right angle at B, then measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to 90 degree. Here the connective is if, then. If, after if there is one statement and after then there is one statement. So we consider two statements separately. First statement is P, second statement is Q. First statement P is triangle ABC is right angle at B. And the second statement is measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, its symbolic form is if P then Q. So we write if P implies Q. If P then Q means if triangle ABC is a right angle at B, then Q means measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to 90 degree. Then we consider another example, example number 6. Lines are parallel if and only if. Here connective is if and only if. Lines are parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. So in this example, the separate statements are, let P is equal to lines are parallel, and Q statement is their slopes are equal. So these are two separate statements connected or combined by using connective if and only if. So its symbolic form is first statement P, then symbol for if and only if is a double-sided arrow, and then the second statement is Q, P if and only if Q. That means the lines are parallel if and only if their slopes are equal. So this is example number, question number 2 in exercise 1.1. Now we solve another example in exercise 1.1. That is question number 3 is, write the truth values of the following statements. The first statement is 4 is odd or 1 is prime. So first of all, we write the truth values of two separate statements, and here we use connective OR. So first, consider statement P as 4 is odd, but we know that 4 is an even number. That means this statement has truth value false. The second statement Q is 1 is prime. 1 is prime number. Now all of you know that the prime number starts from number 2. So 1 is definitely not a prime number. So this statement is also false. Now we write its symbolic form. Its symbolic form is P, and here connective is OR. So symbol for OR is V, Q, P or Q, which is equivalent to, now the value of P is F and value of Q is also F. So F, in between F and F, the symbol is OR, F or F. Now I write truth table for OR symbol, OR statement. First statement is false, second statement is false, the resultant statement is false. So the resultant answer is false. That means the truth value of the statement 4 is odd or 1 is prime is F. Then we consider the second example here. Here also we consider two separate statements. First of all, the compound statement is 5 is a prime number and 7 divides 94. First statement P, simple statement P is 5 is a prime number. Now 5 is a prime number, definitely it is true. 5 is a prime number, means truth value is T. Then second statement we define is 7 divides 94. 7 divides 94. That means 94 is divisible by 7. Is it true or false? Definitely 94 is not divided by 7. So this is also, its truth value is false. Means truth value of first statement P, 5 is a prime number, is true. And second statement Q is 7 divides 94 is false. Now we write symbolic form. Its symbolic form is P, then symbol and Q, which is equivalent to value of P is true, T, and value of Q is false, T and F. We use truth table for AND statement, and so here first statement is true, second statement is false, T and F, T and F, we get F. So resultant answer is F. So statement 5 is a prime number and 7 divides 94 has truth value F. Now we solve another example in question number 3. The example is the statement is, it is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real. That means 5 minus 3i is a real number. It is a negation statement or not statement. Given that 5 minus 3i is a real statement, but it is a not true. That means if we consider the statement P as 5 minus 3i is a real means real number, its truth value is 5 minus 3i is a complex number. Where here I means it is an imaginary part, 5 minus 3i. So this is definitely this value 5 minus 3i is a real number. The value of this statement P is false. But the given statement means we write symbolic form as it is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. It is not true that means it is negation P. Negation means it is not true that P means 5 minus 3i is a real number. So negation P. So here negation of P means value of P is F. So negation F means it is true. So the truth value of this statement, it is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number, is true. This statement is true, false, but it is not true that. So it is negation of false. That means we get true. The next example is example number 4. If 3 into 5 is equal to 8, then 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. Here the two simple statements are 3 into 5 is equal to 8, and the second simple statement is 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. So I write here first of all two separate statements P and then Q. P is 3 into 5 is equal to 8. Its truth value is definitely it is false. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So 3 into 5 is equal to 8 is false statement. Second statement is 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. This is also false statement. 3 plus 5 is equal to 15. We know that 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So it is also false statement, and the logical connective is if then. So we write here symbolic form as P implies Q. If P then Q. So answer of this total resultant statement, P means F, implies Q means also F. We use if then table, if then truth table here. If then first statement is false, second statement is false, F implies F. If F, then we get T. So F implies F, we get T. So resultant value is T. So answer or truth value of statement, if 3 into 5 is equal to 8, then 3 plus 5 is equal to 15 is true. Then we consider another example. Example number 5. The example is milk is white if and only if sky is blue. Here the connective is if and only if. So we consider first of all two simple statements. First is milk is white. This is the statement P, small p, and its truth value, milk is definitely white. So its truth value is true. The second statement Q is sky is blue. Sky is blue. So its truth value also true, means P is true, Q is true. Then we write symbolic form for if and only if statement. Symbolic form. Its symbolic form is P if and only if Q. It is a double-sided arrow. P if and only if Q. Then we write its truth value. Value of P is true. If and only if value of Q is true, means it's T. T if and only if T. T if and only if T. We see here if and only if table. T if and only if T. We get resultant statement is T. So T we get answer T. So the truth value of the compound statement, milk is white if and only if sky is blue, then the resultant truth value of this statement is true. So in this video we solved two examples in exercise 1.1. It is in question number 3 and question number 2 and question number 3.